today we will again be embarking on the backlash plastic activity on the entire municipality of Santa Barbara. So today we will be, this started last Saturday, but of course Monday was the sandwich, Madura, and then Kapon, holiday. And I told the municipality or the employees of Santa Barbara, especially the Alerto, which is in charge of the disaster program of Santa Barbara, that we are again today embarking on the backlash operation, plastic backlash operation of Santa Barbara, wherein all the plastics which are being hung in the fences, in the walls, and so forth and so on, in Baclason plant, which will commence at 3 p.m. today. So, as Santa Barbara, we will not let other people make Santa Barbara as the waste basket of plastics. Okay? And this will be done unrelentingly, and this will be done repeatedly, regularly, so that we will be able to teach all the institutions, all the organizations, all the companies who dump their plastics here in Santa Barbara before they enter Santa Barbara, before they are doing this. They will think, pwede mapuslan naman ang plastics which contain advertisements sa Santa Barbara. We will teach them a lesson that all of them will just come on assigned places. Kung sa kanto ko mo sa munisipyo, maghang ka sa mga advertisement, you get the permit and you are assigned area in the town wherein you can place your advertisement. Hindi lang pwede nga maski diin na. Okay? So, we will lead it, we will lead the entire province in doing this so that about mo, if you are going to pass along the municipal streets of Santa Barbara, you will see that nakalip yung mga Santa Barbara. Okay? It is really nice, And this will be coupled with the clean and beautification of the entire town. And I have nothing else to ask for, as mayor here in Santa Barbara, other than just making the town clean and beautiful. That's all. Basta matino, kaya yan.